We have all clicked on a link that seemed harmless, only to be greeted by a pop-up or a redirect. But what if that innocent click could lead to a much more dangerous outcome? That's where XSS attacks comes in. Welcome back to Orage Technologies, and today we are going to explain cross-site scripting in detail. What is XSS? XSS stands for cross-site scripting. Imagine a website you trust, but a hacker has injected some sneaky code behind the screens. When you visit the site, that code runs in your browser, potentially stealing your login details, messing with your account, and even showing you fake content. Types of XSS attacks. There are three main types of XSS attacks. First one is reflected XSS. This is like one-time trick. The hacker sends you a malicious link that, when clicked, runs the code on your browser. Second one is stored XSS. This is more serious. The hackers inject the code directly into a website like a forum comment. Anyone who visits the page could be affected. Third one is DOM-based XSS. This one happens within the website's code itself, making it even trickier to detect. The impact of XSS attack. The XSS attacks can have a big impact. Hackers could steal your login credentials from online accounts, see your private messages and emails, redirect you to the fake website to steal your information, and mess with the website itself, showing you false information. Protecting yourself from XSS attacks. Here is what you can do to stay safe. Be cautious of suspicious links, especially from unknown senders. Keep your browser and software up to date with latest security patches. Consider using a security extension for your browser. Be wary of websites that seems unusual and have unexpected behavior. By understanding XSS, you can be more aware of danger hanging around in this online world. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry. The next time you see a suspicious link, don't click it. Instead, come back here and learn more about online security. For more information on how to protect yourself from cyber threats, like, comment, share, and subscribe.